So JP, how do you feel? Well, I've done this once before. I don't know. No, really excited.
Monday morning.
Yep. I'm looking forward to taking the next step in our business, to be honest. Been a long time coming.
I think I know what to expect with this one. There's no nerves. I think I've had enough time spent with Reece. I was lucky, I guess, to have met him at his workplace and figure out what's ahead. He's also the most organised person I've met to date or seen yet, which was highlighted by Jess, so I'm interested to see how that plays out.
Don't speak too soon, I might have forgot my charger. I think introducing Jobman definitely brings some structure to the business.
If you had one word to explain how you're feeling right now, what would you say? What?
Survive.
Survive, yeah. Have you ever had the opportunity to sort of do one of these workshops?
With other previous employment, different types of workshops, not usually one-on-one. It's usually like 10 or 12 in a group setting and like one person lecturing.
1,754 questions. We go through that over 2 huge days, and I mean huge. Like I got in at 6. It is now almost 6, and we're still going. Clients have had absolute fun. They've also got a little bit of a headache. We're getting somewhere. We're building their business for them. We're building their business with them.
It wasn't just question and answer. It was question and let's dive into this.
It's good progress.
Yep.
It's still a work in progress, like answering lots of questions. Unfortunately, I don't know a lot of them at this stage because it's all quoting and stuff like that, which is out of my purview.
Yeah.
But it's going the right way. It's not just structured, here's what we're going to do. We can flow out where we need to.
I think maybe that's where we got stuck.
And not do both at once.
In the sense that we probably should have understood the software before we started trying to go too deep, work out how it's going to work in real time.
Yeah, I was going to say, how are you feeling this morning?
Good.
Second day of the BYB. Feeling anxious, feeling stressed?
No, man, looking forward to it. Like what JP was saying yesterday. Yesterday was the hard day and lots of questions, and today's the day that we delve into a bit more stuff. Yeah, as in I'm ready to get involved. Yesterday was all Reece. As in, I said like 10 words. So.
I think I'm definitely understanding the program more now than yesterday. You're sitting with an expert on the program, so you're just going to learn more and faster, really.
We understand all of your problems, all of your concerns, because I've done it for 3 years. My team's done it forever now as well. And it was so good seeing the young team just step up, really take charge, and seeing the client come excited, but unsure of what they were going to expect, and leave happy with what they've done, aware of how far they've got to go. They've really realized how much there is, but they're excited and they're hopeful about a better future, and they're really looking forward to getting some time back. So I think that's an awesome outcome.
These guys are awesome. It makes work fun.
Thank you, Empire Blueprint.